Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another talk. Hoping all is well at your end. As you know, if there is a will, there is a way. With these words, I will discuss today steps of success for learning of physics. For this discussion, I have selected some contents as outlines of my talk. These are as follows: goal, objective, dedication, motivation, willpower, and talent. You will be familiar with these points one by one. First, you have to start your journey about the steps of success for learning of physics. Really, it is very difficult task to set your goal. हिंदी में कहा जाता है, आवश्यकता आविष्कार की जननी होती है. नेसेसिटी is the mother of invention. So, few words like who, how, when, what, why will help you in the form of some questions. After completing this exercise, you will set your goal. Here it is steps of success for learning of physics. After set your goal, you have to think about some unique thoughts for the objective of your goal. Reported cause, for example, truth of physical life, working of machines, reality of universe will help you to finalize the objective. Dedication towards your duties play a key role to achieve your goal, including discipline, devotion, determination, discrimination, and honesty. In this section, punctuality and honesty should be there. The truth of motivation always accelerates you during this journey of achievements. What is impossible to you? Think. The word impossible says itself, I am possible. It means nothing is impossible. If you wish, then you can do everything. It would be the real motivation to you. In the next step, recognize your willpower. Here, I would like to share two lines. दृढ़ इच्छा शक्ति रखने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. केवल पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता यारो, मंजिल केवल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके हौसलों में जान होती है. With these words, I would like to share a story of willpower, of addition. So, you will learn some old aspects of yours. In the next step will be the talent of yours. Always try to search your hidden talent. I am sharing an example in the form of a sentence. God is now here. What does it mean? Someone says that God is nowhere, but others read it, God is now here. Who can give the correct answer? It is an question to you. If you are trying to answer it, you can initiate to learn physics. After completing these levels of your life, you will be able to learn physics in association with some qualities like worship of God, love your parents, and respect your teachers. In a recent scenario, a smart hard work may be the key of success for learning of physics. For any query, welcome your suggestions and comments. I will meet you soon. So, thank you. Thank you very much.